Hi, I'm Patrick Saccoccia, creator of this YouTube channel, patrickCINEMAS. I want to welcome you guys to my channel, and please do help out by subscribing if you like what you see, and hit the like button on my videos. I will appreciate that. And just to let you know, my channel's been going on since 2008, and I've been working hard on it. And I have added a new section to my channel, finance, cryptocurrencies, and Bitcoin and Ethereum and stuff like that. I've been doing a lot of research on it, so I got a lot of stuff to tell you guys. So far, my channel since 2008, I've been doing video blogs. I've been doing geek and nerd stuff, you know, things like MegaCon and fun things like Harry Potter and Doctor Who and stuff like that. I've done that throughout the years, and steampunk. I've done coffee culture and food, places to go in Florida, the best coffee shops, the best restaurants to eat at. Do check that out. I make my own short films. I have a few movies that I have created. And I even cover 3D online virtual worlds such as Second Life and OpenSim and stuff like that. But I have added a finance section since I've had all year a lot of time on my hands to do a ton of research. And I have got some news for you. Don't give up on crypto. Trust me on this. I've done a lot of research. I am not a financial advisor, but I use common sense, and I do know economics and stuff like that. And I also do follow very good channels such as Coin Bureau, Altcoin Daily, Crypto Kirby, Cryptos R Us, Lark Davis, Ames Stone, and a lot of other guys. Ivan on Tech, he's great. Crypto Teacher, he's great. Crypto Love, The Moon. Yes, and I even follow Peter Schiff to see what his negative news is and what he's got to say. So I get both sides of the story, and it is what it is. So please do hit the subscribe button if you like what you see, and thank you for watching. Enjoy the video. Alright, welcome to my vlog. Top cryptocurrencies to invest in. I have invested in a few, and I got out of a few, but I have narrowed it down during these weird times and these crazy dips and a lot of bad news coming out on the news. A lot of people get scared too easy, so I've narrowed it down to the top 3 safest ones to choose that you'll never lose. Now, I'm not a financial advisor. This is for educational purposes, and do your own research, but I have narrowed it down to the top 3 I believe are the safest ones to invest in and are gonna, and they're not going anywhere. So I have chosen Bitcoin, I have chosen Ethereum, and I have chosen Uniswap. And the reason why I chose these 3 is because Bitcoin is the king of cryptocurrency. Always has been, and most likely will still be. And if not, it'll definitely be Ethereum. And the reason why I'm choosing Uniswap is because that is the top crypto when it comes to DEXs, decentralized exchanges. So those are my choices. Right now, Bitcoin is currently at $34,876. Ethereum's at $2,004, and Uniswap is at $18.18. Now, we are going through a dip right now. Of course, you guys know all about that stuff. I'm sure you've been watching a lot of other videos, and It is time to buy. It's cheap. Buy into it. And the reason why I said these three is because if anything happens to crypto, and a lot of people don't want to go back into crypto, those three, I believe, will definitely be the survivors out of the hundreds that are out there. Alright, so before I get into some details, let's have a little fun, shall we? Let's enjoy a Bitcoin Huddle meme. There's always room for memes.
Hey, Dennis! D! Oh.
Guys, hey. Hey, how's it going?
Oh, yeah?
Oh, real good.
It's gonna go.
Looking to get into Bitcoin lately. Hey, when do you think the next dip is? You haven't bought yet? No, we're gonna wait until it dips to 5K. And then we're all in. Oh,
Driver, we're done here.
Okay. So, out of the top three of my choices, Bitcoin. Here's the 1 year chart. Always zoom out to see the bigger picture. Right around here, in January, February, March area, is where, as you know, a lot of the institutions started to go in, and a lot of people who were not into crypto in the past throughout the years started to go in. So I believe the safe area is to always look in the January, February, and March area. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, but to me this is common sense, and this area here is, to me, is the safety zone to look for its true value as of this year. With a lot of good news coming out about crypto, with a lot of bad news coming out about crypto, I believe when a lot of people are unsure, they get out, they sell, they panic sell, which is what you should never do. Always hold. I believe this is the area here that shows its real value, because for the years to come and throughout the future, it's going to be this situation, not talking price-wise, but the situation of institutions are in and mainstream are in, not just the cryptocurrency experts or the people who were into crypto throughout the years of 2018, 2016, 2014, etc. This is when the mainstream was into crypto, was starting to get into crypto in institutions. So I believe this area here shows its true value for this year, say. So right now Bitcoin is at $34,655, and it has bottomed out in the 30,000s area, I believe. Let me see here. Yeah, it bottomed out real fast at 28,800. It didn't last very long. It bottomed out over here at 29.9. So this is if it's at this price, you have to buy it. Okay, and with the 1 year showing, let's see here, 32, 29. It bottomed out over here at 30. So this 30,000 area, I'm not an expert with charts, as a financial advisor, but common sense tells me that this is the area where it's safe to buy for this year of 2021. And as you know, in the years to come, it's only going to grow. It may dip lower, go higher, lower or higher, but it's always going to be safe at the 30,000. You'll never lose your money unless you sell. If it goes down to 20,000, it goes down to 15,000. A lot of people are scared it could. Just hodl it. Hold on for dear life. So that's that for Bitcoin. Ethereum. Ethereum in January, February, March area, the safe area over here is somewhere in the, I would say, $1,200 to $1,500 area. So right now it's at 1986. This might be the very bottom. It might go up because Ethereum is the backbone of smart projects. Let me see here. What makes Ethereum unique? Ethereum has pioneered the concept of a blockchain smart contract platform. This is the backbone of that network, and it's always going to be around because there's a lot of coins that need Ethereum. So that's my second choice out of the top three. My third is Uniswap. Now, Uniswap is a little more crazier than Bitcoin and Ethereum, but I think it's in the top three because it has its own decentralized exchange called a DEX. Top cryptocurrency decentralized exchanges. Now remember, always trust CoinMarketCap right here to get the real information. Okay? Look what's number one. Uniswap version 3. They have a version 3. And version 2 was very good also. So now they have a version 3. That is the top one. It has the highest market share and the highest amount of volume out of all these other coins. I do like Pancake Swap. I do like Sushi Swap. If I can find it here somewhere. But you'll see that Uniswap is the top of decentralized exchanges. And as you guys know, with China trying to ban it and whatever else that can happen, a lot of people are going to turn to decentralized exchanges. Uniswap is the top. Well, I hope you enjoyed my video, and please do subscribe and hit the like button. And I'm going to end my video with this clip here by Cathie Wood. She is a genius.
So I think each one of these corrections, certainly the coronavirus was a battle test, and now this one is a battle test. I think each one brings with it improvements in governance, but also proves out, as Anthony says, how robust this decentralized ecosystem is.
I think MicroStrategy's given a huge move to the downside and a subsequent bounce. If you're bullish in Bitcoin, that's a better way to play it than Coinbase.
We are long-term in our focus. Keep your eye on the prize. And I do think in the short term, what has happened here, one of the things that's happened is reminiscent of the beginning of 2017, when China shut down all of its exchanges and the Bitcoin's price collapsed. And anyone who bought on that enjoyed one of the most magnificent runs during 2017, because what we learned is, fine, China shuts down its exchanges and the activity moves to Japan, Korea, Thailand, almost seamlessly. And when people looked around and said, okay, nothing happened there, this just shifted. And we think the same will be true of mining, by the way, and therefore mining will be more transparent than it is in China right now. I think ESG is the second reason that it has gone down. Environmental, social governance, primarily environmental. How is Bitcoin mined? A lot of institutions are asking that question, and ESG has become a very important strategy, especially in Europe, increasingly in the United States. And this was one more risk that it was going to keep institutions from migrating into this new asset class. This is a new asset class. And from 10, 11 years worth of data, we can see the low correlation of returns compared to other assets. Institutional investors have to consider this because certainly their competitors are, as another form of diversification and opportunity. And I think this put that off for a moment, but I think that the spotlight on the environment is going to cause something really interesting to happen here. We just wrote a paper with Square about the ramifications of putting Bitcoin mining into a solar power wall merchant power ecosystem so that it could absorb all the extra energy coming from the sun after the battery, the power pack is filled up. That would add a new dimension of economics to this ecosystem and would encourage homeowners and utilities to add more solar to their own ecosystems than otherwise would be the case. So it's actually going to accelerate the movement into renewables. I think that's what's going to bring institutions back. And I think Elon Musk highlighting, is this a risk that I have considered adequately as I put Bitcoin on my balance sheet, my firm's balance sheet? I think he's going to be a part of the solution. So we think what has happened here is actually going to turn into good news.